Welcome to my channel for returning subscribers, and then if you're just watching for the first time, wow, you've been missing. I must tell you, you've been missing. Welcome to. Alright, so today I am going to talk about how to start a YouTube channel. How to start a YouTube channel. If you want to start a YouTube channel, if you're intending YouTuber, if you are a content creator, or you just want to start making your content for your business, then you are actually at the right place. Yes. So you are here to get actually ways and then how to create content, how to start up your YouTube, how to package those contents for your business. You're actually here at the right place, at the right platform. So welcome. So today I'm going to talk about how to start a YouTube channel. How to start a YouTube channel. It is very simple. It is very simple. It's just having access to the right information, and I thank God you're here. I'm actually excited that you are here at the right platform to get the right information on how to start a YouTube channel right here on my channel. So let's get it started. How to start a YouTube channel. What's the first thing you need? What do you need? How do you intend to package the whole thing? What do I need as a YouTuber, as a content creator? People think about it a lot and they don't even know how to get started. But today, I'm going to start by telling you that you need just 1, 2, 3 things, basically 3 things to get started. If you have these 3 things I'm going to talk about, then my sister, my brother, you can do a lot and start making money from YouTube. So let's get started. When you want to start a YouTube channel, the first thing you should think about is niche. Niche is spelled as Niche. Niche. What is niche? Basically, this has to do with what you want to center your attention to, what you want to do, what exactly you want to talk about. Is it about hair? Is it about clothing? Is it about makeup? Is it about tech, finance? What exactly are you going to talk about? In a layman's knowledge, in a layman's understanding, it is what you want to actually produce, talk about, create about. Anything you want to do, directing that energy to is your niche. Choose one thing. Do not move from one niche to another, because it's actually not going to help your algorithm. Yes, most people do not know that. So you come from one niche to another niche. Before you know it, it's a whole lot of trouble. What do they know you for? If they're looking for someone in tech, they can easily say, okay, this is what's it called? This is Bush. This is J Bush. She's good at this. This is what she does. This is what she talks about, and then that's it. When I started my YouTube video, when I started creating videos, I was talking about natural hair, basically. Yeah, my hair. I've got a very beautiful hair. Yeah. So once in a blue moon, I'll be dropping content about hair. That's because I have followers, I have friends and subscribers who had followed me because of this. Yeah, but along the line, I discovered that, yeah, the other gender, male, yeah, also wanted to benefit from what I'm doing. I'm like, how do I help them? And these are business owners who want to grow their business. So it's basically not about them growing their hair. So I'm like, how do I get started? How do I solve this problem for both genders, the female and the male subscribers I have on my list? So I came up with this. Actually, good enough, everyone is into business, so how do I help you? So now it's business and lifestyle. I can basically tell you a whole lot about how to grow your business, how to stay on that business, how to grow content creation and all that, everything you need to grow your business will be spelled out here. So you are actually on the right platform. If you're a business owner, small business owner, don't worry about it. Gradually you will get to a point where your business will grow, so you start making a whole lot of money from just watching a single video and then gaining knowledge. It's very important you learn and advance your skill, learn and expand your business, learn and start making good amount of money, and stop being myopic. I can't do it. Obviously, we can get to, no. Just come, stay, relax, and you will enjoy it. Okay, for the niche. When choosing your niche, think about your passion. Think about what you can do very well. What can you do? What is really something you can put up there without stress? You can just wake up and say, okay, I can make up, I can draw eyebrows, I am an artist, I can sketch. Whatever you can do comfortably, it's very easy. You take that up, and then before you know it, out of passion, you've been able to start earning money, making good amount of money. It's very important. So you think about what you can do better, think about how you can actually help people, then get that done. So then we move to content strategy. The second one is content strategy. Content strategy. What do I do? Now I have my niche. How do I get this important, beautiful, creative thing I have in my head? How do I put it into a video? What do I do? Sit down and create your content strategies. I'm going to be producing videos once in a week. I am going to the kind of videos I'm going to make is going to go this way, is going to pass this message, is going to the strategy needs brainstorming. You need to think about it. How are you going to get it done? Don't just wake up and then press the button and then you start making a video. It needs critical thinking. Yes. So I know most times before I come up with maybe a video that you're seeing out here, I know, okay, this is actually what people want at this time. A lot of people want to go into YouTube because actually there's money in it. And a lot of people want to grow their business. A lot of people want to content marketing. They need this. At that point, you think about it and strategies on how to get it across. Think about it, produce it, and again, get it done. That's one thing you shouldn't overlook when you are thinking about being a YouTuber. The content strategy is extremely important. Do not overlook it. I must say it, I say it, and I repeat it. Do not overlook this part of it, because it's actually what would bring you out, what will make people know you. They will know you for your production. They will know you for your videos. They will know you for what you're good at. Yeah, so that works perfectly fine. That's content strategy. We move to the third point. Equipment, tools. If I share my own story about equipment, you would pity me, because I've gotten a lapel mic, and then I used it the first time. I was trying to my video, the sound, entire sound, everything was echoing. I'm like, okay, I prefer to use my natural voice, since the lapel mic I got was not really clear enough, didn't give me the clarity I want. But then I am actually working on getting another mic, so not the lapel mic, but the other mic. So something better, something that would make my sound, understand what it means now, come out very well and clear for your own comfort, for your, So I intend to get that done. For equipment, lighting is important. Getting a good device to record, if you're using a phone, obviously you should get a good phone, a phone that has the capacity to contain whatever you want to shoot. And if a phone that also has a good camera, if you want to get a camera too that maybe you can operate, you can work with a whole lot. Getting a tripod, getting a whole lot of tools, equipment. You can even set up your studio, make it very beautiful for you, so you have lightings. You can also filter sound so you don't get to have that clap back when you are making a video, so you hear that clap back. You say R and then you're hearing the other R in the background. A whole lot happens. It's a process. I know we are all getting there, so I am here to urge you to get set for your video. If you want to be a YouTuber, if you want to start making videos, welcome to the club. I'm actually here for you. So if you have any question regarding starting your YouTube in 2024, having any question about how to create the entire content, how to come up with those videos to actually be of help to other people, to create value, impactful videos, whatever you want, we are here. I'm out here. You drop a message, comment, I will be there to help you out. Obviously, yeah, that's why we're here, to help, to collaborate, and to do more together. I am here to do more with you. So as long as you're ready, and you are really, really ready, and you have to tighten your seatbelt because there is a whole lot of work. Consistency, I keep saying it though. Most of my videos, you hear me talking about this a whole lot. You have to be consistent. Be ready to keep doing more. Improve upon it. Do more. Do one today, tomorrow you do two. Next tomorrow, do more. Better, much better than you did the other time. That's what it is. So I will encourage every upcoming YouTubers. If you are there and then you already you've already put things in place to start the video, to start creating your video, you have your tools ready, your content strategy, your niche, fine, better, you can get it started. What are you waiting for? Do not wait anymore. Get started. Let's do more of it. There are a lot of people waiting to view. They're always there. Viewers are there. It's just us. I think we are few, yeah, but we have a lot of viewers. So if you want to do more, think about something very lucrative and get started. So I still want to say thank you very much for always stopping by. I do not want to take, I obviously do not take this for granted. So I would say thank you very much for always stopping by. Apart from that, always subscribe to my channel, always like, always, obviously, you would love everything. Emphasis on love and like the content. I'm planning on bringing more value. I'm planning on bringing something very hot that will help your business from one stage to another, migrate from one point to another. At this 2024, we no go gree. I no go gree. You too. Please, no gree for anybody. Just keep on doing more. Boost your whatever. Boost your energy. Have that starter. Have that thing that boosts, that would move you to do more. So I am here to also help you out in whatever thing you need to grow your business, in whatever information you need to grow your channel. I'm here to help you. So please do more to subscribe to my channel. Always be ready for me because I'm ready for you. I'm here for you.